Here we have a 2009 Morgan 44 Sport, finished in sport green with a saddle brown interior, has badge bar, stainless wire wheels, so they were added, round door mirrors, Moto-lita steering wheel, has an Allon white steering column cowl, inner side screen panels, and there is a mat pocket on the passenger side of the gearbox. Door check straps, sun visors, luggage rack, nice deep luggage rack so you can put a big case on. Reverse sensors, yes, that's not a misprint or misquote. It does have rear parking sensors. It's also got one of our Speedifit hood conversions, so it has a lot easier operation to lift the back up to put luggage in. Obviously comes with a galvanised chassis, stainless steel bulkhead and valances, door handles as you can see. Also has a coin tray, which is another one of our little add-ons. Very tidily bodily, done 10,800 miles and is available for Allon sports cars. Thank you for viewing.